Today we'll talk about how can you deactivate your account on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you just come here to deactivate my account, just click on it. So then here you click here on yes, deactivate here. Then it's going to deactivate automatically on your Bluesky app. That's all you have to do, that's all. I wish you a great, thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.